Where is your heart? And Jesus precisely was asking the Jewish people. He was even asking directly his own disciples. He was confronting them. You come to worship, but where is your heart? You give alms, you do good, but where is your heart? You follow traditions, but where is your heart? It's a sad thing to realize, sabi ng awitin. But you are close and near, but your heart is somewhere. The gospel is inviting us as much as it was challenging his disciples and confronting the Jewish people. It was hurting to God that we present ourselves before him good as we appear, but where is our hearts? That man can rightly see what is essential is invisible to the eye. Tanging sa kalooban, sa puso ng tao, makikita niya ang tama at matuwid. Ano man hindi nakikita ay lampas sa paningin ng mata. Nandoon sa puso natin ang presensya ng Diyos. That's why if we want to meet God, we meet Him inside our hearts. There will be no pretensions. Only the authentic and purity of presence. It is inviting us that when we come close to God, let us go inside our hearts. That there inside us is God's holiness and presence. And that way, we find Him there. We no longer ask, where is your heart? Sa atin na nais gumawa ng kabutihan, mayroong mithiin na maglingkod, mayroong panalangin na maging maayos ang lahat, ang pamilya, ang buhay, ang kapaligiran. There is only one question we need to ask and to give answer to. Where is your heart? Magnilay tayo.